McDonald's is one of the world's largest and most popular fast food chains. Millions of people around the world enjoy their hamburgers, and today we will discover how they make them. Every incredible burger starts with one critical component: high-quality beef. This beef is meticulously sourced from trusted suppliers who adhere to stringent quality and safety standards. This initial selection process involves evaluating factors like meat texture, fat content, and overall freshness. Only the cream of the crop makes its way into the factory, ensuring that each patty begins its journey with the very best foundation. Now that the prime beef is on site, it's time for a transformation. The beef undergoes a grinding process that is as precise as it is essential. This process yields the perfect texture, allowing for that indulgent, melt-in-your-mouth experience that defines a great burger. To achieve that harmonious balance of flavor and juiciness, different cuts of beef are often combined, resulting in a symphony of taste with every bite. With the flavorful foundation established, it's time for precision and consistency. Portion control becomes the focus, as each patty needs to maintain a uniform size and weight. This meticulous measuring ensures that every patty is tailored to perfection, promising a harmonious balance between meat and bun. Say hello to the patty-forming machines, the magicians behind those iconic round patties. These machines deftly shape the seasoned beef into uniform discs, each one bearing the unmistakable mark of quality. The machines are designed not just for aesthetics, but also to ensure an even thickness and a symmetrical, perfectly round shape that promises an optimal burger experience. Quality reigns supreme at every stage, and this step is no exception. Every patty undergoes rigorous quality checks, ensuring that it meets the strict standards set by the manufacturer. These checks encompass a spectrum of factors, from taste and texture to appearance and safety. Only the patties that excel in every aspect make the cut, ensuring that every burger is a delectable masterpiece. With the patties at their peak, it's time for careful packaging. The frozen patties are enclosed in specialized materials designed to safeguard their quality during storage and transportation. These packaging materials are chosen to prevent moisture and air from compromising the patty's taste and texture, ensuring that the journey from factory to plate is a delicious one. Now let's discover McDonald's Buns Factory. Flour, water, yeast, sugar, and a pinch of salt come together to create the foundation of these buns. The type of flour used and the balance of ingredients play a key role in determining the bun's texture and flavor. From a harmonious dough, individual portions emerge, ready to be sculpted into the iconic bun shape. This process requires not only skill, but also precision, ensuring that every bun is consistent in size and appearance. The artistry in shaping sets the stage for the bun's ultimate role. With the shaping complete, our buns embark on their final ascent. During this conclusive proofing stage, they rise to their full potential. This rise determines the interior texture, striking that delicate balance between fluffiness and density. The moment of truth arrives as our buns enter the heat of the oven. The baking process works its alchemical magic, transforming humble dough into the inviting golden brown hue we associate with buns. The precise temperature and baking duration orchestrate the perfect marriage of texture and color. With the seal of approval, it's time for the bun's final attire. Thoughtful packaging preserves their freshness, ensuring they maintain their delectable qualities. A noteworthy detail: the choice of packaging materials reflects the commitment to safeguarding the bun's integrity. How they harvest and process vegetable for burgers. Firstly, they meticulously select the finest vegetables. Imagine an array of crisp lettuce, ripe tomatoes, crunchy onions, and tangy pickles sourced from dedicated suppliers. These suppliers aren't just ordinary. They're handpicked for their unwavering commitment to adhering to the strictest quality standards. Each batch of vegetables undergoes a thorough inspection, ensuring that only the freshest and most flavorful produce makes its way into the next steps of this culinary adventure. Now, with their fresh glow renewed, these vegetables journey to a realm of precision slicing and dicing. This step isn't just about transforming veggies into bite-sized marvels, it's about creating a harmonious symphony of textures. Imagine specialized machines gracefully carving them into uniform pieces, each destined to elevate your burger experience. This meticulous cutting ensures that every bite of your burger is a symphony of flavors and textures. Once these vibrant vegetables are ready, they're greeted with a revitalizing bath in a meticulous washing and cleaning process. This isn't just any ordinary rinse, it's a transformational soak that washes away any impurities, dirt, or residual pesticides. But here's the kicker. This step isn't just about hygiene, it's about ensuring that the veggies are primed for their starring role in your burger, not just in taste but also in safety. With the final notes of sorting complete, our veggies are ready for their final act of elegance: packaging. This isn't just about storage, it's an art that ensures the vegetables remain as delightful as the day they were harvested. Sealed bags and containers take the lead, safeguarding their essence for the journey from factory to your nearest McDonald's. Now the hamburger is created, Layer bottom bun, sauces, lettuce, tomato, patty, cheese if cheeseburger, onions, pickles, top bun. Wrap for freshness. Done. In this section, we will uncover how are Lay's chips made. Firstly, they select the most exceptional potatoes. But not just any potato makes the cut. These spuds are chosen based on rigorous criteria, texture, moisture content, and flavor characteristics, ensuring that every chip that emerges offers that unmistakable Lay's experience. It's like casting for the perfect chip star. Once the chosen spuds make their debut, they're treated to a thorough washing to say goodbye to any dirt. But we're not stopping there. These potatoes also get a peel, shedding their outer layer to reveal the pristine goodness within. Before our sliced stars embark on their crispy journey, they take a brief detour for a gentle rinse. Why, you ask? It's all about removing the excess starch that clings to the slices, ensuring that our chips emerge from the fryer as light and airy as a chip lover could dream. Prepare to be wowed, because the spotlight is now on the fryer. With a sizzle and a pop, the rinsed potato slices take a dip in a luxurious bath of vegetable oil, each slice finding its sweet spot in the heat. But here's the enchanting secret. This dance with the oil doesn't just cook the chips. It's the alchemical process that eliminates moisture, birthing the signature Lay's crunch that's kept us coming back for generations. Emerging from their sizzling transformation, our chips embark on a journey that's all about flavor. Picture an array of seasonings, from classic salt to tantalizing barbecue or other exotic blends. These seasonings are sprinkled with precision, transforming the chips into a masterpiece of taste. But the adventure isn't over yet. The freshly seasoned chips need a moment to cool their heels. This cooling phase serves a dual purpose. It locks in those vibrant flavors while allowing any lingering excess oil to bid its adieu. What you're left with are chips that are a perfect symphony of taste and texture. Before our chips step into the world beyond the factory floor, they undergo a rigorous quality check. Each chip is scrutinized for taste, texture, and appearance, a true testament to Lay's unwavering commitment to delivering the ultimate snacking experience. Only the most flawless and delicious chips earn the esteemed Lay's seal of approval. And now for the grand finale, the art of packaging. These cooled, seasoned chips are gently nestled into airtight bags or containers. But this isn't just about wrapping them up. It's a strategic fortress against time and moisture. It ensures that when you open that bag, the crunch and flavor you experience are nothing short of perfection. And finally, we've reached the grand finale distribution. These meticulously crafted Lay's chips embark on a journey to your local stores, ready to elevate snack time to new heights. It's a journey that ensures every bag of Lay's chips you grab delivers the quintessential snack experience you've come to know and love. Lay's chips are made in various locations worldwide by Frito-Lay, a division of PepsiCo. They have multiple factories strategically positioned to cater to different regions and markets.